Renting a place in India can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. It's not just about finding the right location, it's about asking the right questions. Before you sign that rental agreement, dive deep into the details. What's the actual rental price? Are there any hidden costs? Clarify the security deposit. How much is it? And when will you get it back? Don't forget to discuss maintenance responsibilities. Who handles repairs? And what about the neighborhood? Is it safe? Are there amenities nearby? By addressing these concerns upfront, you can dodge misunderstandings and avoid future disputes. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth, hassle-free renting experience. When it comes to rent payments, clarity is key to avoiding any future headaches. First off, let's talk about the payment method. Will you be paying by check, cash, or online transfer? Whichever you choose, make sure to get a receipt for every payment. It's your proof that you've paid on time. Next, what about the payment due date? When exactly is the rent due each month? And is there a grace period if life throws a curveball and you can't pay on time? Knowing this can save you from unnecessary stress. Lastly, let's discuss late fees. Are there penalties if your payment is delayed? Understanding these details upfront can help you budget better and avoid surprises. Clear communication now means a smoother renting experience later. When renting a property, it's crucial to ensure everything is above board. First, always ask your landlord for proof of ownership. You want to see that title. It's your right to know who truly owns the place you're calling home. Next, let's talk about the lease agreement. Sure, an unregistered lease can be valid, but it's like driving without a seatbelt, risky. A registered lease agreement offers you protection and makes it enforceable in court if things go south. So, don't skip this step. Protect yourself and your investment by ensuring your rental is legally compliant. It's not just smart, it's essential. When searching for a rental property, especially in gated communities or apartment complexes, it's crucial to dig into the specifics. First off, if you have pets, you need to confirm the pet policy. Some places are pet friendly, while others might have strict no pet rules. Next, consider guest restrictions. Are there limits on how long friends can stay over? Some landlords might have a cap on overnight guests, which could affect your social life. Lastly, let's talk about subletting. Many rental agreements in India prohibit it. So if you think you might need to sublet down the line, clarify this upfront. It's all about knowing the rules before you sign that lease. When choosing a rental property, the neighborhood can make or break your experience. First, safety is crucial. Dive into crime statistics or chat with the landlord about security measures like guards or cameras. Next, consider amenities. Are grocery stores, schools, and hospitals within reach? Public transport access can save you a lot of hassle. Then, think about noise levels. If you're in a bustling area, ask about the daytime and nighttime sounds. You don't want to be kept up by traffic or nightlife. Lastly, reputation matters. Talk to locals or neighbors to get the real scoop on the neighborhood's vibe. A little research can lead to a much happier living experience. Parking in the city can feel like a game of musical chairs, and it's crucial to get the lowdown from your landlord. First off, ask about parking availability. Is there a spot right on the property, or will you be hunting for street parking every day? Next, let's talk money. Are those parking spaces included in your rent, or is it an extra fee that'll sneak up on you? And don't forget about security. If there's a parking area, inquire about features like CCTV cameras or gated access. You want to feel confident that your vehicle is safe while you're out enjoying the city. Getting these details sorted can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Regular maintenance is crucial when renting a property. It's essential to know who handles repairs. As a tenant, you might wonder, what's my responsibility? Landlords typically cover major repairs, think plumbing, electrical issues, or anything structural. But don't overlook the small stuff. Minor repairs, like changing light bulbs or fixing a leaky faucet, often fall on you. And here's a pro tip: document the property's condition with photos when you move in. This simple step can save you from disputes when it's time to vacate. Remember, wear and tear is normal, but damage caused by you could lead to deductions from your deposit. Stay informed and keep your living space in top shape. When considering a rental property, it's crucial to clarify if it's furnished or unfurnished. This decision can significantly impact your moving process. I always ask, what furnishings are included? Essential items like beds, wardrobes, sofas, and kitchen appliances can save you a lot of hassle. If the place is unfurnished, I make sure to find out if I'll need to buy or rent furniture. It's important to know whether those costs are part of the rent or if they'll come out of my pocket. Understanding these details upfront can help me budget better and avoid any surprises on moving day. Before diving into a rental agreement, it's crucial to know the length of your lease. In India, most contracts range from 6 to 11 months, but some landlords might offer longer terms. Think about it. Is this a short-term or long-term commitment? If you need to leave early, what are the consequences? Then, there are renewal clauses to consider. Will your rent increase when it's time to renew? You don't want any surprises there. And let's not forget the exit clause. Understand what it takes to break the lease early. Do you need to give a specific notice period? Knowing these details can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. Always read the fine print. When renting a place, the first thing on my mind is the monthly rent. What's the base rent? That's the starting point. But wait, what about utilities? Are water, electricity, and internet included, or will I be hit with separate bills? If they're separate, I need an estimate to budget properly. And let's not forget those sneaky additional charges, maintenance fees, parking costs, or anything for common areas can really add up. Always get these details in writing to avoid surprises later. Now, let's talk about the security deposit. This is usually 1 to 3 months rent, but it can vary. I need to know the exact amount and the conditions for getting it back. When I move out, will I get it all back? Or will there be deductions for repairs or cleaning? Clarity on these points is essential to avoid any last-minute headaches. Renting a property in India can be a thrilling adventure, but it's not without its challenges. Whether you're moving for a job, studies, or just a fresh start, the variety of options can be overwhelming. From cozy apartments in bustling cities to serene homes in quieter locales, the choices are endless. But before you dive in, it's crucial to ask the right questions. What's included in the rent? Are utilities extra? Understanding local regulations is key. Some areas have specific rules about deposits and lease agreements. And don't forget to check the neighborhood. Safety, amenities, and transport links can make a huge difference in your experience. By doing your homework and being proactive, you can avoid unexpected surprises and find a place that truly feels like home.